Combined team of Thoubal District Police and 26 Assam Rifles burst two drug factories at Sarakumbi village in Thoubal district, seizes brown sugar worth over 165 crore rupees. And Manipur joins the world in observing International Day of Persons with Disabilities at Ibrahim Sumanglila Shanglane, organized by Social Welfare Department. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A combined team of Thoubal District Police and 26 Assam Rifles has busted two drug factories and seized 41.293 kilograms of brown sugar worth around 165.172 crore rupees. The drug factories reportedly belong to 39-year-old Ningkhangam Awongshi and his brother 45-year-old Wungreingam Awongshi, son of late Sangchui Awongshi from Sadakumbi village under Nongpok Sekmai police station in Thoubal district. The seized drugs and the two miscreants were produced before media persons at Thoubal district police headquarters today. Speaking to media, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha said that acting on a tip-off, a team led by additional SP Operation Sachidananda along with 26 Assam Rifles Major Vikas Rana conducted raid at Ningkhamngam's Awungshi's residence at around 2 p.m. yesterday. The team recovered two huge plastic bags, one containing 14.316 kilograms of suspected brown sugar and another containing 26.305 kilograms of suspected brown sugar during the drive. SP Dr. S. Ibomcha added that upon further search, the team also recovered 4 hand gloves, 127 blank cigarette sticks, 2 machines to squeeze wood and 3 plastic seeds. Subsequently, acting on Ningkhamngam's confession, the combined team raided Ningkhamngam's elder brother's Wungreingham's residence and recovered 672 grams of suspected brown sugar powder. They also recovered 10 kilograms of lime bark, a machine to squeeze woods, ammonium chloride, jerry cans including morphinated liquid and currency notes of 2 lakh and 8,000 rupees. SP Dr. Ibomcha said that upon testing, the seized powders were confirmed to be brown sugar.
Brown sugar factory factory team combined team village search 14.316 kgs of suspected brown sugar, 26.305 kgs of suspected brown sugar, 10 liters of morphinated liquid. Some internet price brown sugar grade 2 lower kanda rupees 165.172 crores.
Manipur joined the world in observing International Day of Persons with Disabilities today. The Social Welfare Department organized the observance at Ibrahim Sumanglila Shanglane. Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen encouraged differently abled persons not to feel dejected. She stated that differently abled persons have done things which normal individuals could not do. She added that the BJP-led government has initiated various measures for the welfare of differently abled persons. Stating that International Day of Persons with Disabilities is being observed since 1992, Minister Nemcha Kipgen appealed to people to extend cooperation in holding camps for disabled persons in all the 16 districts of the state. She also appealed to every differently abled person to visit the Social Welfare Department with their disability certificates to avail various benefits provided for them by the government. Minister Nemcha Kipgen also assured to strive her best for the welfare of differently abled persons.
Social Welfare Department na Alimco Guwahati ga Khutsam narega September gi tang kunmanga dagi hoduna disabled oiraba myoi sing thidoktuna makhoi gi darkar leiba aids and appliances pinaba assessment camp kanna chathari ngasi aina lautok chaning badi hojik feel the exit oiba like sports yoga asina chingbada award phangri ba mioi singdo mathang dagi mathang international Day of Disabled Day da ekoina so award PB gani haina lautok chari Social Welfare Department na so disabled singi da makta henna tabak thoram kaya ama paikhat na ba hot na zage masida miyam na so manting pangbiyu.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur kicked off 3-day 7th winter exhibition for differently abled persons on the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2019 today. Teaching learning materials were distributed to persons with intellectual disabilities in today's event. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, CWC President of NEITP Sapam Keba, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, Ideal Club President R.K. Tombisana, Occupational Therapy Lecturer in NIEPIT Secunderabad Lecturer Mugesh Tulasi C. Kantham, Special Education Lecturer Ravi Prakash Singh and many others attended the event held on the theme promoting the participation of persons with disabilities and the leadership at Ideal Club Complex in Segolban Tera Bazaar. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam said that December 3rd has been observed as International Day of Persons with Disabilities since the year 1992, following declaration by the UN General Assembly in acknowledgement of major roles played by persons with disabilities, their achievements, and to treat them at par with normal people with love and care. Stating that there are altogether around 54,000 differently abled people in Manipur, Minister Karam Shyam urged everyone not to discriminate differently abled persons. He also called upon various organizations working for the welfare of the differently abled persons in the state to unite, as such will be more beneficial for differently abled persons. Altogether, 45 stalls, including the stall of National Awardee Differently Abled Artists, are opened in the fair.
Differently able persons in Ishorna, Mogi Matau Mangam Ama, that is Hamas, the Konais, the Pantuk Nanaba Pirakibanese, Akoi Pangal Kaliba. Normal life the labor queen at Kangbi Bagan Luinana, Igi Minungsi, Adigi Igi contribution, Kargak Taubataragadi, Makoise, Akoi societies, the Koi Kunaisida, Yamna Nunga in a himba at the Ngamganel. Nasi organization to Biriba, Labiriba Mayamna Kangbi over. Miwe Lissing and Kaimari Muk Labasida, organization Kuntrani put Hoxalak and Tavok Ragadi, Sarkari Mateng Pangma the Waragani, Razagi Tazabawalani, Aduna Sigi sense of the objective some another tabaka Tominaba Kanda, Moigi welfare Stobakanda, unitedly to them and have a sense some Aina Pounds.
Parents and Guardians Council of Persons with Disabilities Manipur and Handicap Development Foundation Manipur also jointly observe International Day of Persons with Disabilities on the theme promoting the participation of persons with disabilities and the leadership, taking action on the 2030 Development Agenda at the Office of Handicap Development Foundation Manipur today. Speakers at the event appealed to support differently abled people in leading a normal life. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring in news on 9-membered Manpack team seeking blessings from women vendors of the Quairamban Ima before leaving Imphal to meet with Union Home Minister Amit Saha to discuss on CAP. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. 9-membered Manpack team sought blessings from women vendors of the Quairamban Ima market before leaving Imphal to meet with Union Home Minister Amit Saha in New Delhi today. Speaking on the sidelines, Manpack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar assured that Manpack will convey the desires of the people of Manipur to the Union Home Minister during their meeting. Scheduled at 10:30 p.m. today, he appealed to all the local clubs and every household of Manipur to light candles in the evening and pray for the successful outcome of the meeting. Intense protest is expected in Manipur and other northeast states if Citizenship Amendment Bill is ever passed in the ongoing winter Lok Sabha session against the desires of the people of northeast states, including Manipur.
Manpack ki mui mapan na sabat tim mama India ki Union Home Minister Amit Shah na invite tawrok padagi CAB gi matang da consultation mit ama yauna na bagi damta ekoi Manpack ki mui mapan na sabat tim mama hoji Delhi gi dama khongsal lagani hairi ba megano consultation mit asida ekoi Manpack ki maige dagi Manipur miam na pamba awang nongpok lamdam da Manipur yauna hairi ba CAB si chana ba sungya yaroi haiba phire ba do ekoi Home Minister gi mafam na chapchana thamgani kariguma makhal gi kariguma semdok sadok adu adal kariguma leiba taragasu hairiba Home Minister gi maige di thamlakwa wafam adu aikoina Manipur miam ga loina na tanara kanda kari tawo phai haibado akoi amuk tana jagani.
Oina Municipal Council, in association with Progressive Youth Association, organized one-day Mau Market Sale, season sale under Imphal Market Coordinating Committee at Bisnupur's Oina Bazaar today. Altogether, 30 stalls were opened in the market, making available various seasonal festivals. Winter crop seeds were distributed to residents of Lengangpopi village in Jiribam district yesterday. Spouse of K. Sharad Kumar, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food and Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur distributed gram, peas, maize and mustard seeds to the villagers at the distribution event held at the community hall. It is said that the winter crop seeds will also be distributed at Jaku Dhore, Jiribam's Barak Circle today. As the furor over the gang rape and murder of an aspiring 27-year-old veterinary doctor continues inside and outside Parliament, government data shows that a number of states have not utilized the Nirvaya fund that is meant for the safety of women. States like Maharashtra, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, Sikkim and Union Territory Daman and Diu have not shown much utilization of the fund at all, even though the Home Ministry allocated 18,292 lakh rupees to them. The Nirvaya fund was set up following the outrage post the December 2012 rape and murder of a young woman that shook public discourse in India. Now the sports news. East Bengal will play against Real Kashmir in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium at 5 p.m. tomorrow. In the league's table tally, Churchill's brothers Kerala Gokulam and Chennai City with 3.8 are at the first, second and third position respectively. In yesterday's India Super League ISL 2019-20 league match played at Jamshedpur's JRD Tata Sports Complex, was scored by Dirgio Castle at 28 minutes, while for Northeast United FC, Panagiostis Triades scored one goal at 98 minutes of the match. Odisha will lock horns with Bangalore FC in tomorrow's league match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Combined team of Thobal District Police and 26 Assam Rifles burst 2 drug factories at Sadakumbi village in Thobal District, seizes brown sugar worth over 165 crore rupees. And Manipur joins the world in observing International Day of Persons with Disabilities at Iboyama Sumanila Sanglane, organized by Social Welfare Department.